First of all, although a bit late, I want to wish everyone a healthy and a happy new year. The past year presented challenges for all of us, but thanks to you and our customers, we achieved very impressive results. Financially, both on turnover and profitability, we had our best year in the history of Meyn. A testament to the quality of our products, services, our staff, and the trust customers place in us. Especially securing one of the largest deals in our existence is an example of Meyn reinforcing its position as a leading player in the industry. Very impressive. Robert Beerkhoff will later tell you a bit more. For 2024, we aim to grow our turnover 3.5% and our profitability with 2.6%. Not huge increases, but challenging enough with the current global state. Profit is not just a goal in itself. It forms the foundation against unforeseen circumstances and enables future investments. These investments will enhance our products, processes, and in the end, help our customers even better. I would now like to hand over the floor to Robert Beerkhoff, who will share highlights in sales. Erik-Jan Radstake will update us on innovative highlights, and Jeroen van Bennekom will walk us through highlights within manufacturing. With my sincere thanks for your dedication and hard work, let's enter the new year with confidence and continue working together. This is especially important in a time of numerous global challenges. But I am confident that together we can make it another successful year.
Last year was a challenging year and we stayed well under our intake target. We were therefore incredibly happy and extremely honored that Almarai company from Saudi Arabia confirmed the project for their PPP4 plant. We have been working with them since 2009 and see this €32 million order for two 15,000 birds per hour lines as confirmation of good cooperation and mutual trust. After the introduction in the market of the inline tidy boner at Falkenberg in Sweden, we had many interested customers who visited the plant and were pleasantly surprised by the excellent performance of the machine. This resulted in the sales of two inline tidy boner systems at Two Sisters Food Group for their Scunthorpe and DZ facility in UK. An inline tidy boner and inline drum deboner at Norsk in Norway, where we performed the SOT test for the drum deboner. An inline tidy boner, inline drum deboner at Steinfeld in Germany, and despite all what is going on around him, Nikopol in Ukraine also ordered an inline tidy boner and drum deboner. Most recently, we received an order from Finland by HK Scan, who ordered two inline tidy boners and two inline drumstick deboners for their existing physic lines. With an almost 200 million turnover in parts and services globally, all service and parts teams have done a tremendous job where we can be proud of. Built on the Meyn installed base, we were able to increase our service and parts income by listening to our customers and looking at the markets. We have to stay alert, however, as pirates are getting more and more professional and don't make it easy. We see many local service companies popping up. Of course, we need to keep selling our equipment first before we can transfer this into revenue.
In the pursuit of speed and innovation, a dedicated module in Infor-LN has been implemented for better control and insight in the parts production for innovation. Also, we now have specific machine time in key work centers, and this allows for more iterations within a period, boosting our time to market. Our focus in live bird handling is on optimizing the grounded drawer system. We're innovating to reduce CO2 usage and work hard to match the efficiency of the Marel Atlas system in truckload and speed. The initial step, a more efficient and lower module, is ready, and we're actively seeking a customer to showcase this. The primary team is working very hard on the continuous improvement of the Maestro Plus eviscerator. We aim for higher and stable performance for all weight ranges. The team is on a mission for an iteration every 4 to 6 weeks, testing with key customers Vannebel and Hammerl at the forefront. Under the Synergy brand of CTB, Plant Automation has launched a new and improved version of Meyn Connect. A competitive pricing strategy is also in place to make it more accessible for all customers. Plant and machine monitoring will make its debut early this year, paving the way for KPI dashboards and reports for our smart machines. In the secondary department, we are celebrating excellent results in testing the new inline drum deboner. The inline thigh deboner is a hit and exceeding sales expectations. Now our focus is set on conquering the spin chill market. The weighing and grading team have launched the latest inline weigher, the trolley weigher. It's a game changer for those working with spin chillers, providing valuable real-time bird weights before chilling. But because it can be positioned anywhere in the line, it will give customers accurate real-time insights on weights anywhere in their process. With our new strategic partnership with IH Food, we have access to state-of-the-art vision systems, robotics and artificial intelligence, and these technologies will be implemented in our grading portfolio to make them future-proof and state-of-the-art.
Exciting news for 2024 as our parts distribution center in the US takes shape. We've secured a plot in South Carolina, construction has begun, and the building design promises a cutting-edge facility, including integrated offices and social spaces for our team. Smart robots will handle parts movement, boosting speed and accuracy. The movement of parts will no longer be performed by the employees, but by automation with robots. This allows our colleagues to focus on the picking itself, resulting in significantly increased speed and accuracy of the pick mission. The facility will be ready to implement and test the robot technology by May, aiming for the grand opening in August. To enhance our supply chain, we're streamlining operations for a seamless flow. In 2024, our supply chain focus includes: we're using data to predict what parts we'll need in the future. It's already working well in Meyn US, and our big plan for 2024 is to implement this in Poland and the Netherlands. This promises higher availability of parts, maximizing output and minimizing disruptions. So more parts available and less hassle. With so many purchase items to manage, over 50,000 items, our procurement team is organizing them into groups. Think of it like bundling things up so we can save time, money and effort. In 2024, we're starting small, moving the first batches into categories, creating the groundwork for specific targets and agreements. We're paying extra attention to the warehouses, which have a critical role in our success. To connect the supply chain and demand seamlessly, balancing of stock levels is crucial. In 2024, we're focusing on getting our inventory data right and making sure things move efficiently. We'll achieve this by monitoring accuracy and turnover, how often inventory is used, sold and replaced. Our ultimate objective is to maximize this entire process, securing precise inventory data and improving inventory turns throughout the year.
Meyn New Year's message, take 35. Action!
We wish you all
the best and the beautiful and the lucky company you work in it is Meyn. My best wishes for my colleagues, my friends, my brothers in nice company Meyn. My best wish for 2024, and I hope this year one of the best years for Meyn and good steps for the best future.
Welcome to Meyn India. Here we are wishing all our customers a very happy and blissful New Year 2024. Looking forward to another year of achievement and partnership. Here I and my team wishing all our customers a very happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Desde el equipo Meyn Ibérica, gracias a todos vosotros por ayudarnos a alcanzar los objetivos de 2023. Sigamos construyendo un equipo fuerte y exitoso en este nuevo año 2024. Gracias por formar parte de este viaje. ¡Salud y força el Canut!
Vă dorim un an nou productiv.
Muchas gracias a todos. Besitos.
Vamos.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Eat more chicken!
Hey, Happy New Year!
Gracias por permitirnos acompañarlos en este viaje, lleno de desafíos y aprendizajes. Gracias por confiar en nosotros para hacer realidad sus proyectos. Que el año 2024 traiga éxitos en cada paso que tomen. ¡Feliz Año Nuevo!
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching this New Year's video.